Every week, I meet women who come to my clinic with problems they find hard to explain, like frequent urination, a burning sensation, or unusual discharge. And most of them say the same thing. The symptoms recur again and again. These are common signs of urinary tract infections or bacterial vaginosis. But they are not in the position to explain the same. The main reason behind this is not just infection. It's the imbalance of good and bad bacteria in the vaginal area. This balance can be disrupted by things like stress, poor hygiene, poor habits, frequent use of medication, or even diet. While antibiotics are often used to treat these infections, they don't address the real problem. They kill both pathogenic and non-pathogenic bacteria, but unable to bring healthy balance of microflora, and using antibiotics again and again can lead to resistance. That's why I now suggest a better and more complete solution for both UTI and BV. That is UTB 360. UTB 360 pineapple flavored, mouth-dissolving powder that supports women experiencing with recurrent infections. It has a dual combination of cranberry extract proanthocyanidins type A 500 mg and D-mannose 250 mg, which prevent harmful bacteria like E. coli from sticking to the urinary tract, flushing them out and lowering the chances of recurrent infections. UTB 360 offers complete protection against UTI and BV with a symbiotic formula, combining two powerful probiotics with a prebiotic from IFF, Lactobacillus acidophilus LA14, 2.5 billion CFU, and Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, 2.5 billion CFU. Help restore vaginal flora, balance pH, stop harmful bacteria, and provide long-lasting protection. FOS 500 mg. A prebiotic nourishes these good bacteria, supports microflora, and reduces recurrence. Potassium magnesium citrate 978 mg. In it helps reduce urine acidity and makes passing urine more comfortable. Introducing UTB 360, India's first dual-action defense for UTI and bacterial vaginosis, powered by clinically proven probiotics. UTB 360 prevents recurrence, prevents resistance, restores healthy flora. UTB 360 is a 360-degree solution to treat the infection. With UTB 360, women can feel free, balanced, and confident again in their daily life, at home, at work, and beyond. Dose: 1 sachet in a day, minimum of 3 months.